Hi guys, today we're going to be making some snow art. As we speak, my snow is melting. So you're going to need some snow, some sort of food coloring, and paper. I'm using cardstock. I have a feeling if you use computer paper, it might get really wet really quick. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your food coloring of any color you want. You're going to put it all over your snow. And you're going to use probably multiple colors. Just anywhere. Let's get them all out because my snow is melting quickly. If you have a warm house, your snow is going to melt real quick. Alright, try to coat this as best you can with your colors so that we can get it all over our paper. Alright, seeing that my snow is melting really quick, I'm going to place this on top. And now you're going to let your snow melt. And yeah. So after you let it melt, you don't want to let it melt too completely, because if you do, your picture will be all one color and it'll be all dark. So if you leave it on your snow until it just about turns clear, then you should have something that looks like this. Or you might have something that's totally dark on one side or light. So this is our snow melting marbling. I hope you make this. If not, I understand, but I hope you make it. And I hope that yours turns out good. But this is how my snow marbling turned out. I hope you make it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and great day, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you hit that bell so you can get more videos from me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.